In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL on Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just haven't had to locate your workspace URL before, don't worry. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you can easily access this essential piece of information whenever you need it. First things first, you'll want to start by going to your Slack homepage. This is your main view where you'll see all the workspaces you belong to and any important notifications. It's essentially your launching pad for navigating through all the conversations and features Slack has to offer. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll do is navigate to your specific workspace. You'll usually find a list of your workspaces on the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on the name of your workspace will take you directly into it, giving you access to all of your channels, messages, and settings associated with that particular space. Now that you're in the right workspace, you'll want to look for a drop-down menu. This can typically be found at the top of your workspace view, often represented by your workspace name with a little arrow or three dots next to it. Clicking on this menu will open up a list of options for you, including settings and details specific to your workspace. In that drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Edit Workspace Details. Go ahead and click on it. This is a crucial step as this is where you'll be able to see the finer details of your workspace, including the URL we're after. This section gives you a bit of control over how your workspace is set up and onboarded for other users. Now within the Edit Workspace Details section, there will be an option called Edit Workspace Icon. While our focus isn't on changing icons today, clicking here can sometimes reveal additional settings or sections related to the workspace URL. Remember, exploring these details can help you better understand how your workspace is configured overall. Finally, after you've familiarized yourself with the details and perhaps tweaked settings as per your needs, you'll want to make sure that everything is finalized. Double check your changes, ensure all the information entered is correct and meets your company's standards or personal preferences, and then confirm any modifications. It's important to save changes to ensure nothing is left unfinished. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Slack workspace URL. By following these straightforward steps, you now have a better grasp on how to manage and navigate through Slack settings. I hope this guide has made it easy for you to find your workspace URL whenever you need it. If you found this helpful, feel free to share with anyone else who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more helpful guides.